Hi everybody, we're going to do Q&A for a new product that's hitting stores now, the tailored mask. So today I'm at the Ascot Chang factory in Kowloon. I'm here with Justin Chang, who's part of the Ascot Chang family. And Justin, you were in charge of a lot of the development of this mask.
Yes.
So why don't you talk us through it? What was the impetus behind it?
All right, so we started developing this mask back in January when the COVID situation was developing in Hong Kong. We were noticing lines out the door of pharmacies, people were lining up for masks, couldn't get them in some cases. So we were starting getting worried about providing masks for our colleagues and having a hygienic work environment. So we started thinking of making our own out of shirt fabric.
Okay, that's a great idea. And let's see what you came up with.
Right, so this is what we ended up coming up with, and the main feature of the mask is that we have this flexible wire in both the nose and the chin area of the mask. What we were noticing with a lot of our customers was that the mask would slip down the face as they talk, and having this wire in both the nose and the chin really locks the mask in place, and it doesn't slip down as much. Also, we have this pocket here where, if needed, people can put in their extra levels of filtration material, which offers even better protection. And finally, we have the dart here, which fits around the face a bit better.
Yeah, just shapes it a little bit more around the cheeks.
Exactly.
That's a great touch. Okay, why don't we see a few of these masks in progress now?
Sure, yeah. So here we are hand cutting some of our shirt fabric for the mask. So as you can see, we can do this out of any of our shirt fabrics. So you can special order it at the Armoury or at our own stores. And you can pick a fabric that you like, just to add a bit of color to.
That's great.
Yeah.
I mean, we have stock, but for some customers, I think they actually enjoy being able to pick a more personalized mask for themselves too. Okay.
Absolutely.
Why don't we have a look at the making too?
Sure. So in our factory here, we require everyone to wear masks indoors, just to have a extra hygienic work environment. And over here, we're just about finishing up a mask here. And so we require our seamstresses to wear gloves as they're making the mask. Again, just for extra hygiene purposes. However, we do recommend that people wash the mask first before wearing. And then subsequently, after every use, people should be washing it every day.
Cool. All right, Justin. Well, thank you for the explanation and for the little tour of the factory. Most appreciated. If you're interested in getting a mask, we have them in stock at the stores or on our online store. Or if you want a special order one, you're more than welcome to come see us or Ascot Chang at their stores worldwide. Also, as a New York special, because Ascot Chang and the Armoury both have stores in New York, all the profits of masks sold in New York will go to Coalition for the Homeless. We just felt like they were a particularly vulnerable population when we were trying to do something for them. Alrighty, thanks for watching.
Thank you.